Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to crop a video into a circle. Here's a video footage. Let's make it circle crop. Open Effect panel and search for crop. Drag this crop effect into the video clip. Then go to Effect Controls. Click on this circle icon. Reposition this circle and drag this handle to make circle bigger and smaller. Click on Inverted. Then click on Left Value and increase ease until the whole video goes back, except for the circle. This is how we can crop a video into a circle. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.